Hi, I'm Dennis with YellowBlue Ecotech. Today, we will be reviewing our complete line of solar-powered attic ventilation fans. We'll also be pointing out some of the superior features and benefits of our products. I'd like to take a moment to emphasize the importance of completely sealing the attic area from the airspace in your home. Due to the greater airflow offered by our products, conditioned air can easily be pulled out of the home, wasting the energy used to condition that air. Let's ensure customers receive the full benefit offered by the YellowBlue system of products by inspecting and sealing all the cracks and penetrations with approved caulking and sealing products. We start with our standard line of low and high profile embedded solar powered attic fans, as well as the YellowBlue powered Gable fan. We're also excited to premiere our newest product, an adjustable roof mounted solar powered attic fan. This new system, available in both low and high profiles, can be fitted with either a 20 watt or a 30 watt solar panel. It can be even upgraded with an integrated thermostat. Now, we will review the installation process for our unique and versatile Gable fan. This fan is designed to be used as a Gable fan or to turbocharge an existing dormer or static vent. Gable fan up in this opening, and I'm going to mark the 4 mounting holes with my pencil here. Gonna make sure that this is even, placed over the hole, and then I'll mark the 4 locations here. You'll notice this area down here. Do not leave this open, because what will happen is the fan will blow the air out, hit the back of the gable vent, and then some of the air will blow back into the attic. So we're going to want to seal this off, and we're going to do that with a piece of cardboard. The unit comes standard with 25 foot of cable. This cable needs to be run to your solar panel to be on the roof. I'm going to come off the edge approximately 36 inches, so it puts me into the center of this stud here. I'm going to come down, put the panel up as high as I can so that I can take advantage of the morning sunlight. So I'm going to put the panel up all the way to here. That way we'll get as much sunlight when the sun's coming up as it's coming down as it sets in the west. This house only has an east-west exposure. South is that way. But we'll have excellent performance because we need this to work best in the evening. So now I've located my hole. I'm going to drill a small 1/2 inch hole through the sheeting, and this is directly between the trusses. Go ahead and place my hole here. right side is always positive. Twist the wires together tightly, loosen the fastener, and then wrap the wire around the screw terminal. Make sure that this gets tightened. Secure. Make sure the fasteners are secure. Around. Lastly, we will completely install our fully adjustable tilt mount solar fan. This fan uses the same time-proven American design and manufactured system with the highest airflow in the industry. Let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do, come over, mark it to about 9 foot. That finds the center. We're right about here. Now I'm going to go 24 inches down from the top to my center hole and mark my center line mark. Now that's the center line. "24 inches down. Centered. The screw up through the center of the hole. Take a marker like this, we simply mark it off. What you're going to want to do is make sure you hold on to the screw once your hole gets over here so that you don't drop this down into the hole. You can break your drywall. So as you get close to the end, just hold this. Up about the middle portion of this roofing area, the roofing shingles are glued on with a tab, and so you basically want to take this bar and lift it up like this. And you'll have to remove these nails so that you can slide your flashing under there. We actually want to get underneath the tar paper. So we have to come under this portion right here, okay? So that way we're going to be underneath the tar paper. I'm going to slide it under the material, roofing material, but I'm going to keep it up off the roof deck as much as possible. I've decided it's going to go under this area right here and this area right here, so I can rest it here and help to slide it under just like this, getting it underneath the roofing material here and here, and then holding it up, sliding it up underneath here like this, and then setting it down once I get to the top. That way we won't have any problem. And looks like we've got this pretty well centered. Now what I want to do is I want to center it. The next step is to fasten it down the roof. The fasteners that you're going to use are included in the kit. A very high-tech fastener. It has self-drilling tip with neoprene gaskets. So these tips will drill through the aluminum material, and then the gasket will seal on the roof and on the flashing material itself. Use a 1/4 inch driver with this. Then the next thing you want to do is to apply the sealant underneath these shingle tabs like this. I like to put one, if you're breaking on the center of a shingle, put a layer like this. And then I want to see it go around the top of the neck like this. Next thing we have to do is to adjust the solar panel. So loosen the fasteners on the side, slide it up to your desired angle. In this case I'm going to put it all the way up. Tighten the fasteners on the side. Over here, take a look over here. What you're going to see is 4 wing nuts. These wing nuts give you the ability to loosen and adjust the angle of the solar panel. You actually have the ability to turn it. So this way over here is south, so I'm going to get the most perfect angle, which is south facing. At this, this is about a 35-degree angle, which is about perfect for this application. So now I'm going to go ahead and tighten up the fasteners so that they're not going to come loose over the next 25 or 30 years. I'm going to make sure that this fastener here is tight too. This is the sealer to make sure that the wire guide is tight. Hi, I'm Dennis Grubb. I hope this installation demonstration of the solar powered attic fan was helpful.